Are you looking for the top 5 best adult diapers for men? Which adult diaper is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Depend Fresh Protection Large. First up, we have the Depend Fresh Protection Adult Diapers for Men in size large. What caught my eye here is their promise of maximum absorbency, and they come in a pack of 28. If you want reliable protection that feels like real underwear, this is worth a serious look. These diapers are designed to absorb 30 times their weight, turning liquid into gel, which is crucial if you want to stay dry throughout the day. Plus, they feature odor block technology, which means you won't have to worry about embarrassing odors. Their ultra-soft, cotton-like fabric makes them comfortable to wear and discreet under clothing. This is essential for maintaining your confidence. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, people are clearly trusting this product. Now, some folks have pointed out that the sizing can run a bit large. Here's the thing though, if you're in between sizes, you might have to experiment a little to find your perfect fit, but many report that once they find the right size, the comfort is top-notch. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something that provides solid protection without sacrificing comfort. Skip this one if you need a slimmer profile under tight clothing, as they can be a bit bulky. Alright, if the sizing issue bothered you, this next one takes a...
Product number 2, Depend Fresh Protection Small/Medium. Next, we have the Depend Fresh Protection Adult Diapers in the small/medium size. This pot contains 80 diapers, making it great value for money. If you want maximum absorbency in a more compact size, this is worth a serious look. Like the larger version, these diapers also absorb 30 times their weight, keeping you dry and turning liquids into gel. They're designed to feel like real underwear, so you don't have to worry about feeling self-conscious. The odor block technology is also present here, ensuring you stay fresh throughout the day. With 8,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many men have found a reliable choice in these. However, some users have mentioned that they can feel a bit snug if you're on the higher end of the size range. Now here's the thing, if you're truly in the middle of the size chart, you may want to size up for comfort, but overall they've received great feedback for their performance and feel. This is perfect for you if you need a bulk pack that won't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you prefer a looser fit, as they may feel...
Product number 3, Depend Fresh Protection Extra Large. Moving on, we have the Depend Fresh Protection Adult Diapers in extra large size. This pack contains 26 diapers and is priced at around $21.25. If you need something that offers maximum absorbency for larger sizes, this is worth a serious look. The key feature here is, once again, the ability to absorb 30 times its weight. This means you can trust it to keep you dry and comfortable. The ultra-soft material is a game changer, providing comfort that feels similar to regular underwear. The product also boasts odor block technology, which is essential for maintaining freshness. With 7,000 units sold recently, it's clear this product is making waves. Now, I did see some reviews mentioning that the waistband might feel a bit tight for some. Here's the deal. If you have a waist size on the higher end of the spectrum, this could be a concern. However, many users have found the fit to be satisfactory once they adjust to it. This is ideal if you're looking for reliable protection without compromising comfort. Skip this one if you have a larger waist and prefer a looser fit.
Product number 4, Depend Real Fit Large Extra Large. Next up is the Depend Real Fit Adult Diapers for Men in the large extra large size. This pack contains 52 diapers, priced at about $49.99. If you want a product that combines comfort with maximum absorbency, this is worth a serious look. What sets this apart is its invisible protection. These diapers are made with premium fabric that conforms to your body, allowing for discreet wear. They promise 0 leaks and odors, which is crucial for your peace of mind. The stretch waistband ensures a secure fit, so you won't have to constantly adjust them throughout the day. With 4,000 sold recently, many are enjoying this product. However, some users noted that the price might be a bit steep compared to others on the market. Here's the thing, the comfort and discretion it offers could justify the cost, especially if you prioritize those features. This is perfect for you if you want something specifically designed for a man's body and value comfort above all. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget-friendly option.
Product number 5, Depend Real Fit Small Medium. Finally, we have the Depend Real Fit adult diapers in small medium size. This pack contains 56 diapers and is a great option if you're looking for good value without compromising on quality. If you want something that fits well and feels discreet under clothes, this is worth a serious look. Like its larger counterpart, this product boasts invisible protection and a premium fabric for comfort. It also claims to provide 0 leaks and odors, which is perfect for everyday wear. The stretch waistband ensures it sits comfortably without digging in. With 4,000 sold recently, this product is also gaining traction. Now, some users mentioned that they didn't find the fit as snug as they hoped. Here's the thing. While some may prefer a tighter fit, others might see this as a more comfortable option for all-day wear. This is perfect for you if you want comfort and discretion without breaking the bank. So, to quickly recap, we started with the Depend Fresh Protection Large for those needing reliable absorbency, moved to the small/medium for a budget-friendly option, then the extra large for added comfort. Next was the Depend Real Fit Large/Extra Large for premium protection, and finally the small/medium Real Fit for a more discreet choice. Each of these options offers something unique, so you should consider your own needs before making a purchase.